This is Railman 300. Today we're going to film the tornado siren today. It is raining a tiny bit. Not as bad though. Not as bad. It's 11:58. I will be going off in like a minute. So we're going to go over here. This is the place that we're going to learn. Okay. Here we go, the sirens are about to go off. It is 11:58 still. The sirens are about to go off in a minute. About like a minute or so. It's 11:59, it's about to go off. There we go. It is 11:59. So the sirens are about to go off any minute. Okay, it's still 11:59. It's about to go off any second now. It is still 11:59. This is what it looks like in the back. It's 11:59 still. Signs are about to go off. It's still 11:59. This is... just waiting for the siren to go off. It's 11:59. It's about to go off in a minute now. Okay, here we go. It's noon. Here we go. It's about to go off. Here we go. They're about to go off any minute. Here we go. There we go. Here we are. Fascinating tornado siren going off. There's the first test. The second test is about to go off. Just gotta wait. You can still hear them from far away. You can hear the Westerville sirens in the Worthington, Ohio, and the old Worthington ones. You can hear them all over the place. Here we go. It's about to go off any minute again. It's 12:01. There we go. There's a lot in this place. They might do the voice. You never know if they'll do the voice. It's about to go. Oh yeah, it already went. It might do the voice. Yeah. I don't know if they're gonna do the voice, but I don't know if they're gonna do the voice. It might. I think they aren't gonna do the voice today. I don't know. They might. So you guys heard that the ones that are in Westerville and the ones that are in Old Worthington and Columbus, can hear them all over the place. Okay, guys, so I think they're not gonna do the voice, so, peace out to all ya.